Hi there, thanks for being here. I'm Kyle Sullivan. This is a video on the basics of Power Apps, and it's part of a series that I'm starting. So please like and subscribe, and you'll find more of this content. But this is just really step one. We're going to navigate to Power Apps, we're going to find our way around and see how to start our first Canvas Power App. So let's jump in. All right. So, welcome. You're at the home screen of Power Apps. So, one way to get here is just by putting in make.powerapps.com in your browser URL address bar, click enter, and it'll take you right here. You can also get here from office365.com. Click on apps and navigate to Power Apps. But this is essentially what the landing screen looks like for Power Apps. One of the things I want to note right off the bat is you're going to see here in the upper right hand corner where it says environment. Your organization will likely have a default environment already set, but you may click on it and see other environments that you're able to access and create apps in. So just ensure that you're using the right environment for your use. And you'll see here on the main screen your apps, and you'll see a lot of different apps, most likely from other people in your organization who have made other apps. You can access your apps by clicking on the left bar here where it says apps, and it'll say my apps. Currently, I have no apps, so I want to create one. Come back over to the left menu, hit create, and it gives me these options to start from a blank app or create one from a Dataverse table or SharePoint list, Excel file, or SQL database. We are just going to do a blank app and connect to data later. And it's going to give me those other options if I want to do a blank app, app based on Dataverse, or a Power Pages. I'm going to do a blank Canvas app. I'll hit create, and then it's going to ask me to name it. I'll just say test app, and then it's going to ask me what format I want it in. I prefer a tablet format. It looks best on browsers. So if you have a lot of users accessing your app from a desktop, you're going to want tablet. But they do have the option for phone. I'm just going to go ahead and create this app. And once the spinny wheel stops getting things ready, you'll just see Power Apps lay out your new Canvas app in a blank view. So give it a second here. And there it is. So this is what it'll look like. It says, welcome to Power App Studio. It's asking me to either create a form, create a gallery. You could go through those steps. It's also given this pop-up about Copilot if you have access to Copilot. But that's about it. We created our first Canvas app and we can get started. So thank you for checking out how to get started, and stay tuned for more and we'll start creating.